Hello and welcome to KLM Institute. Today, we dive into the recent controversial speech by Mizoram's Chief Minister Lalduhoma in Indianapolis, USA, which has sparked debates and strong reactions across India and the region. His statements about unity among the Mizo community have been widely interpreted as an indirect call for a separate nation for the Christian communities spread across India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. In his September 4th address, CM Lalduhoma openly expressed concerns that religious differences might lead to division and disunity among the Mizo people, an ethnic group comprising the Chin, Kuki, and Mizo communities, who share linguistic and cultural ties. He highlighted the historical fragmentation of the Mizo people across national borders and called for a united front under one government, underlining the notion that we are one people, brothers and sisters. The Chief Minister emphasized that his visit was motivated by the need to foster unity, expressing his hope for a unified nationhood through the strength of God. He lamented how the Church of Northeast India has not been realized, contrasting it with the unification efforts seen in the Church of South and North India. Lalduhoma praised local organizations for their work in supporting Kuki refugees.
As far as we are concerned, we shall never ever accept the division of our people into three countries. This will never be acceptable. And the boundaries are imposed boundaries by the British government. In that committee, we are never represented. We are never consulted. Therefore, it is an imposed boundary. We'll never accept it. We'll never accept construction of boundary fencing.
While also criticizing the internal conflicts within the community as a regrettable fact. For some, these statements seem like a call for a distinct, ethnically and religiously unified state, which has prompted discussions about national integrity and security risks within India. Analysts and social media users quickly connected his speech to past statements by Sheikh Hasina, former Bangladeshi Prime Minister, who had warned of a plot to create a Christian nation in the Bay of Bengal region. Is this a sign of a separate country? Lalduhoma's statements raise the question. Is this a subtle move towards advocating for a separate state for the Mizo people? The Chief Minister's emphasis on unity under a single government hints at an unprecedented push for Mizo integration, echoing sentiments of a nation transcending borders. His words have stirred both support and caution, with some expressing concern about potential implications for India's sovereignty and stability in northeast India. Thank you for tuning in to KLM Institute's coverage of this unfolding event. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on regional developments and reactions to Chief Minister Lalduhoma's speech. Stay tuned.